Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nawada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nawada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 9C objective questions of chapter 9 unitary method. So question number 1 is written here. If 4.5 meter of uniform rod weighs 17.1 kg, what is the weight of 12 meter such a rod? So first column write length of rod in meter. And second column weights. In kg. .5 meter length, 4.5 meter. Its weight 17.1 kg. 17.1 kg. What is the weight 12 meter of such rod? Length 12 meter. What is the weight? Let required weight be x. Y direct variation. Y direct variation 4.5 y 17.1 equal to 12 by x. In direct variation, ratios are equal. So 4.5 by 17.1 equal to 12 by x. By cross multiplication, 4.5 into x equal to 12 into 17.1. That implies x equal to 12 into 17.1 divided by 4.5. After decimal one digit, so decimals are cancelled. 9 times 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. 9 5 ja 45. 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 8 17. So 8 1 81. 9 9 ja 9 9 ja 81. Now multiplied divided by 5 and 19 multiplied by 12. 19 multiplied by 12. 19 to the 38 and 9 1 ja 9. 1 1 ja 1. 8 9 plus 2 3. 12 of 2 1 1 2. 221. 228. 228 by 5. Now numerator and denominator multiply by 2. So 5 to the 10 and 228 multiply by 2. 8 to the 16, carry 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, 2 to the 4. Now 456 divided by 10 equal to 45.6 kg. Answer. Understand and write it. Next question, question number 3. In a race, Raghu covers 5 kilometer in 20 minutes. 5 kilometer in 20 minutes. How much distance will he cover in 50 minutes? So write in first box, first column, distance. Distance in kilometer. Time in second column, time. Time in minute. Distance 5 kilometer. Taken time 20 minutes. Taken time 50 minutes. How much distance? Let required distance be x. More time, more distance. Less time, less distance. So it is in direct variation. By direct variation. By direct variation. In direct variation, ratios are equal. So 5 by 20 equal to x by 50. By cross multiplication, 20 into x equal to 5 into 50. That implies x equal to 5 into 50 by 20. 0 to 0 cancel. Equal to 5 5 ja 25 by 2 kilometer equal to 12.5 kilometer. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Next question is question number 5. If 4 by 5 of a cistern is filled in 1 minute. 4 by 5 of cistern is filled in 1 minute. How much more time will be required to fill the rest of it? So cistern 4 by 5 of cistern filled in 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. And rest cistern 1 minus 4 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5. Taken LCM 5. So 5 minus 4 equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 cistern is rest cistern. It is by Newton method, since 4 by 5 cistern 4 by 5 cistern cisterns is filled in 1 minute, means 60 seconds. 4 by 5 cistern is filled in 60 seconds. Therefore, one cistern 60 by 4 by 5. Therefore, rest cistern is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 cisterns filled in 60 into 5 by 4 into 1 by 5. 5 to 5 cancel, and 15 for the 60 equal to 15. Second answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question. A garrison, question number 4. A garrison of 500 men had provisions for 24 days. 24 days. However, a reinforcement of 300 men arrived. The food will now last for number of men, 500 plus arrived 300 men equal to 800 men. Now write in first column number of men and number of days. Number of men and number of days. Number of men 500 men. Food for last 24 days. And number of men 300 arrived. After that 500 plus 300 equal to 800 men. Food for last, the required number of days be X. It is in inverse variation because one increase, other decrease. One decrease, other increase. So by inverse variation, in inverse variation, the products are equal. So 800 into X equal to 500 into 24. That implies X equal to 500 into 24 divided by 800. Double zero to double zero. 8 3s are 24 and 5 3s are 15 days. Understand and write it. Next question is question number 8. 8 men can finish a piece of work in 40 days. If two more men join them, the work will be completed in first column. Two more men, after join two more men, the number of men equal to 40 plus 2 equal to 42. In first column, number of men. And number of days. Number of men and number of days. Number of men, 40 days. 8 men. So 8 plus 2, 10 men. Number of men 8 and number of days 40. Number of men 10. Number of days we have to find, so x. Number of days x. Now more men, less days. One increase, other decrease. So it is in direct variation, inverse variation. By I way, 10 into x equal to 8 into 40. That implies x equal to 8 into 40 by 10. 0 to 0 cancel. 8 for the 32 men. 32 days, sorry. 32 days answer. Homework. Homework solve exercise 9C. Question number 1 to 8. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 9C, question number 1 to 8. Thank you. That's all.